hope everyone is doing well, and thank you for your patience. Well, I didn't think I needed to update any analysis because there's really nothing has changed in the market. And other than that, I hope for the best for everyone's well-being and coping with the COVID. But today, I think I needed to upload a video today so that everyone can see my point of view in this market on the immediate short term and long term as well. But before I start the analysis, I just want to point out something. Point out that we build our lives around the people we love, right? And when we lose them, we lose we lose ourselves. That is a strong quote for me when I make decisions. Same with trading. Think about your purpose when you're watching my video. Okay? So, what you need to accomplish with your life when you spend a few minutes just watching my video. Okay? What I want to say is make sure your loved one is next to you when you're making decisions. And stop looking at the market too much. A lot of people keep doing it every time. Like, always checking out the market when there's really nothing much going on here. Just look at the chart. Nothing's going on. We've been on this level way too long. Okay? We've been here, and we've been right here. So, okay, just look at the chart. Don't waste time keep looking at the chart and thinking, hey, what's going to happen whatsoever. Right? We just need to think about what we want to accomplish in our lives. Just, have your loved one beside you. Okay? We build our lives around the people we love. All right? So I really hope this video makes a difference and to help out whoever needs it. And hopefully it can help out the community in the crypto world. And, take what you get and be happy about it. Okay? So there's no much, worry about it. Okay? We just want to trade relaxed. And, let's just make some money, shall we? Okay? So as you can see, a lot of people are talking about this potential triangle. It's been all over the social media, but really, is it a triangle? I don't want to put out any mindset that thinking, hey, this is a triangle, right? Because it looks like it, right? Now, the way I'm just going to directly say that I believe two possibilities. Okay, so either this is an A, B, C, like that. Okay, this is some kind of a WXY. The X goes up, or maybe this is the fifth wave. It's finished, and we're gonna make a huge flat. Okay, so either this is an ABC, or it could be a huge expanded flat. Okay, let's just put it that way. Okay, so there's two options here right now where I'm looking at directly. Okay, because this is an impulse wave. All right. So the market can do a few ways to actually fool people. Institution, they have all the money. They like to fuck us up, right? Giving you all the indicator thinking, hey, it's a fourth wave. It's a triangle. It's a continuation to the downside. Of course, it could be, right? Now, just think about it. You see what people see, right? But we need to have the thoughts that, hey, what if it doesn't go this way? What happens? What it is? What is the possible scenarios gonna happen? Right? I always talk about a lot of scenarios, and people a little bit skeptical about it, thinking, hey, Christina is giving a lot of scenarios, and when one plays out, she's gonna say, hey, I predicted it. No, okay. I'm not going to do that, but I just want to have my mind ready, thinking, hey, if it really happens like that, we know what to do next, okay? So there's one scenario which I think it's going to do something like this, and then we're going to move down, okay? That is the ABC flat, expand a flat scenario. I think that's what all the market is actually thinking about right now. But at the same time, it could be, it could be just like this. It could break up and just do like this. Okay, so what does this shape means? Okay, it doesn't really mean anything. Okay, so what we need to is actually wait for the market to actually shows the the real direction. Now it's just going sideways. It's been going sideways all over at this area. Okay, which means a lot of people are buying and selling at this area. Okay, now what happens if it goes up? Sell your Bitcoin. Simple. What if it goes down? Buy your Bitcoin. Simple as that, right? You don't need to look at the chart every day and thinking, oh, it's gonna go down, we're gonna get fucked. No. When it goes down, that's an opportunity for us to buy up, right? If it goes up, opportunity to sell and go down. And this is gonna be a huge head and shoulder. Okay? It's a huge head and shoulder. And the target's gonna be like everybody's gonna start saying, oh, Bitcoin's gonna go zero, Bitcoin's gonna go zero. It could be. But institute want to do whatever they want. We can't control it. We're just taking advantage. So we just have that little mindset. And I always say that try not to look at the chart in a smaller time frame. Have a life. And stop looking at the market too much. It's just waste of time. All right. Just have the simple mentality, which is buy low, sell high. That's it. Don't be greedy. Take what you get and be happy about it. Market is always there. There's no worry on trading on it like whatsoever. Okay, so the RSI is showing that this is a triangle, right? It is showing. Look at that. It is showing on the RSI and also at the MACD. So everybody is expecting that this triangle is going to go down. What happened is when that kind of mentality is going on here, people would probably sell right here, right? They're not going to hold. They're going to sell it, right? Wait for the bottom, right? Right. That's what everybody thinks. What if it goes up? What if, right? We don't know that. We don't know. We're not the market makers, right? That's what rich people do. They give you the thought of what's gonna happen to the market. You think you're that good, but actually you're not. You don't work for the people with a lot of money. You wouldn't know. We wouldn't know what's gonna happen really. Okay. So let's say if it moves up, sell it. Okay. So if it moves higher, well, you could reserve some and hold some and just sell higher, right? A lot of people thinking, oh, I'm not going to sell my Bitcoin ever. But then what happened is, boom, it goes zero, you broke. All right, let's not do that. Okay, so back to the analysis here. I am still expecting for a move down. I've talked about on my last video. If you guys are not sure, you can check it out. I've talked about this market going sideways and then drop. I thought it was going to go sideways right here, but instead it goes sideways right here. It's totally making sense right now for it to move another leg down. I mean, it's possible. It's possible because of this triangle shape. Let's say that this is a fourth wave. Right? So what happens if it doesn't go this way? Okay, what happens if it goes down and spike up? It could do that as well. Just take out everybody's stop loss right here and then move back up. That's what the market want to do. They want to screw you up, right? So the better proper way to actually invest in Bitcoin is actually buying the Bitcoin itself instead of trading it. So I'm talking about not trading it, but invest in it, okay? So you need to understand the mentality of the market. Okay, this is really impulsive, and this is really impulsive. This could be a 1-2, 1-2, and we're gonna go down, right? Again, with the mentality of whatever we're analyzing, we should be prepared. Okay, whatever comes bottom, just buy it, invest. Put it a few more years. When it goes up, I'm not going to say we're going to be rich, but your investment is not wasted. Okay, but what if you bought here? Okay, no worries. Just invest what you can lose. That's it. That's what I'm going to say. Okay, So if it goes up, it's good, right? Just sell it. If it goes down, it's okay. Buy more. That's what proper investment should be. And we shouldn't go all in and whatsoever ever. Okay, so enough with said with the mentality. I'm just gonna go forward with the analysis now for real analysis. All right. So what is the expected target if it ever goes down? What is the expected target, which is somewhere around 11,556 for Bitcoin. Okay, for it to move really down. Minimum is right where around 24,000. Okay, but I'm expecting somewhere around 11,556. People gonna bash me on it when I say that. I know, but why do you care? It's my analysis. You don't have to follow it, but it's a precaution. It's something I'm looking for to buy Bitcoin at. Okay, that's me. All right. So what about if it goes up? What happens if it decide that, hey, it want to goes up? Where would I sell my Bitcoin? Okay, where would I sell it? To be honest, I don't have Bitcoin right now because I just don't think that it's ideally to buy right now. Okay, because there's a lot of option here. So I don't like have many options when I'm trading market. I just want to have one or two. Either it's one or two. That's it. So for now, my mentality also as well thinking that it could go back to 786 or 618, which is around $155. So if it goes back up here, I think we're gonna see some kind of a sharp move down just like this one here. So expecting for it to still go really low as at this price. Okay, so it might take years, it might take months to actually play this out. So we're gonna look at the daily time frame. I'm not gonna push it down to any lower than daily, probably 4 hours later on. Okay, but today I'm just gonna show you the macro view, the long term, which is at this price. Okay, I'm looking at this price right now. Okay, so in the immediate short term, okay, so immediate short term, yeah, we see a triangle. Yes, we all see that. But what is the immediate short term here? Well, as you can see, we're gonna put it on a 1 hour time frame, and let's take a look at the market. I'm gonna remove all these VIPs and everything. Okay, in Elliot wave perspective, let's just take a look. As you can see here, it is obviously, it is obviously this here is actually a corrective pattern. You see how it hits 1.272. So whatever this is, okay, we're going to break it down. It is an ABC. Okay, guys, this is short term. I don't look at short terms. I look at the long term most of the time, but just want to show you guys it is trying to break it down for you guys. Okay, and this one here is actually ABC as well. Take the Fibonacci and just measure it. There's no point of me just saying it, but you know. Okay, so this is a running flat, I think. It does look like one, and it didn't hit the 1.76, okay? So this could be a running flat, and this was an ABC up, okay? It doesn't look like a 5-wave up. It doesn't look. It's more like a 3-wave up, okay? So I'm going to put that as ABC. So it is going up correctively, okay? It is going up correctively. Oh, even though that, you know, this one looks like a little bit dodgy, but it is still like a you know, three-wave down. Okay, but this one is a little bit special because it could actually be a 5-wave down as well, like this. You know why? Because it didn't overlap. Okay, it didn't overlap. This one could be, but it doesn't show. This is much more convincing that it could be a leading diagonal. This is much more convincing compared to this one. This is more like a 3-wave up, but this one looks more like a leading diagonal. Okay, so you get a 3-wave up, you get a 5-wave up, and then now you get a 3-wave up. What do you expect? A huge, massive 3-wave down. Okay, so we're gonna put up to 4-hour time frame right now. Let's take a look what we just drew on that. Okay, so if it's a 3-wave up, then what do we get? right here. This is a 5-wave down. Let's say if it's a 5-wave down. All right. So there's two options, in my opinion. Just two options. Three options. Okay. Either we're gonna do an A, some kind of B, and then some kind of sorry, I think it's a WXY. No. It's a ABC. Sorry, it's ABC. Okay, and then it's gonna do an expander flat like that. It could be. But because of this structure is so huge, right? I just don't think it is. Okay, either I got this wrong. This is not a 5-wave down. It could be a WXY like that. Okay, it could be like a WXY, and it's still gonna be a expander flat. Okay, so let's say that this is not a flat. This is actually the 5th wave down for this C wave. I talk about this. This could be a C wave. All right. Let's go to daily. This could be a C wave. Okay, C wave down here, right? So how do we get there? C wave could reach around 24K to 11,556, right? So we're just gonna look at this. Let's just measure, see if it, have the right measurement. Like what are the chances? Okay. So let's say this is the 4th wave. It's done, and or maybe this is triangle. Anyway, we're gonna start measuring this. We're just gonna pretend that this is some kind of triangle. It's okay. It's almost done. So how do we measure the target? Like, what's the target if it really goes down? Okay. Just pull the retracement Fibonacci and look for the 1.61 and see. There you go, 25,000. All right. So there's chances that if it's a triangle, it will reach this target. Okay. So if this is the 1st wave, 2nd wave, whatever this is, could be an ABC truncated C wave. Sometimes it happens, right? We could measure like this because of this rejection here. Okay. I'm gonna remove this retracement and look at that. And we're gonna look at the worst scenario. Okay, this is 1, 2, and we're gonna bounce at the 2.618 like that. And yeah, it is possible that we could reach really low. Yeah, it is possible, as this could be the 5th wave, the start of 5th wave already. Okay, so just have a little bit of thought about that. It could be, it could be like this as well. This is some kind of a 1, 2, 1, 2. It will get really worse. Let's say that if that is a 1, 2, 1, 2, let's just measure that. Okay, it would be ridiculous and it would be crazy. The market's gonna shake. The market's gonna shake, and look at that. It could reach at this level here. It's a 1, 2, 1, 2. If it's a 1, 2, 1, 2, okay. So it's possible. Our target that I'm talking about here is really crucial here. So whatever happens in the triangle, please guys, be careful and try to invest smart, and just look at the market and look at the daily, and we're just waiting for the RSI to break out. We could actually make a trade if you want to. Just wait for it to show the direction where it wants to go, right? But as far as I see in my experience, I think it's resetting on the daily. You see how it's already pulled back to the top, and I believe it's about to drop. Okay, so if I want to bet, but of course I don't bet, but if I want to bet, I'm thinking about this region here, 24K and 11K, somewhere around here. But if the market decides they want to do some shenanigans, of course they could bring it down and then bring it up again. Okay, so I think that's about it to cover everything. It's just a general thing. I don't want to go too deep because it would be really difficult for you to understand. Maybe you could understand, and thank you if you did really understand. I hope. But if you guys have any questions, just hit up to my Telegram group, and you could PM me. I'll try to reply you. and maybe join my Telegram support group. I'm always there to actually help out people. I don't get any payment or whatsoever, but of course, if you want to donate, it's fine as well. But if you don't want to, it's fine. I'm willingly, happily to help you all, whoever wants to learn anything about Elliot Wave. Okay, so this is the analysis. This is the end of the analysis. I hope that you could, do me good. Just hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, guys, and have a nice day, and hope y'all doing well in trading. And don't forget your loved ones. Okay, good day. Bye bye.